Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best spin mops that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mopnado Deluxe Spin Mop. Besides its value for money, the Mopnado Deluxe Spin Mop is loved by many because of its great efficiency and reliability. It comes with a microfiber fiber head that not only gets rid of dirt, germs and other debris but also absorbs water and moisture quickly. Like other top products, it comes with a hands-free washing and drying mechanism that keeps your hands free of water, dirt, germs and bacteria. The bucket is somewhat large compared to other top spin mops. Moving on at number 4, we have the O-Cedar Spin Mop. Wringing water from a mop without using your hands is much easier with the O-Cedar Spin Mop. This premium product features deep cleaning microfibers on its head and will leave the floor ultra dry and free of streak or swirl marks. The exclusive bucket comes with a highly effective built-in wringer that offers you a hands-free experience. The high-quality foot pedal and splash guard also contribute to the popularity of this product. People mopping small or cluttered areas may find the bucket to be a bit large. At number 3, we have the Aootek Stainless Steel Deluxe Mop and Bucket. This newly designed cleaning system features a 360 rotating washable mop that makes cleaning bedroom, lobby, bathroom or kitchen easier. The handle can also be adjusted up to 180 degrees to create a more comfortable mopping solution. In addition to that, it has a labor-saving design and this will assist you to save much time, water and energy. It does not spill, shock or damage the floor and it will always keep your hands clean because it does not allow you to touch the dirty water. With its super microfiber mop head, it will allow you to clean the floor better compared to cotton and it dries the floor instantly. At number 2, we have the HAPINEX Spin Mop Wringer Bucket Set. The HAPINEX Spin Wringer Spin Mop is well known for its wide cleaning capabilities. It usually cleans your house faster with less effort and you need to push the handle against the spinner bucket. Its encapsulated wringer basket will prevent the water from splashing out and it will remain on the bucket. The head of the mob set can swing 360 degrees giving it the flexibility to clean along baseboards and under the furniture. On top of that, it comes with gloves accessories for you and thus you will not handle any dirt with your hands. It has a lightweight and sturdy design that enable usage for a long time. And finally at number 1, we have the Simpli-Magic 79117 Spin Mop Cleaning Kit, Mop and Refills, Black, Green. The cleaning solution Spin Mop lives up to its great features. It has a built-in washing spinner that is located at the button of the bucket. The wheels and sliding handle enables moving this spin mop from one place to another without heavy lifting. Nevertheless, the basket is made of long-lasting stainless steel and will serve you for a long time. The mop's head is made of 3 multi-color microfibers that will collect all the dirt in the floor in all corners and the bottom of the chairs and table. The soap dispenser is likewise removable making it easy to fill. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.